Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here with Rake and Profit, and I'm joined with my good friend Amanda Ballard, the Walmart
Yes.
flipping queen. What's going on? Good to have you here.
Thank you for having me. I love being here, so I'm happy to be here.
Yeah, so today what Amanda and I are going to be talking about is the 7 reasons why selling on Walmart in 2025 is so profitable. And to kind of bring you guys back a little bit, Amanda, she started selling on Amazon, what, almost 3 years ago, I would say, probably?
Yeah, roughly almost 3 years ago. Yeah.
She started
Crazy.
flipping books. She got into eBay to Amazon. She had grown her business to, she had some months over $20,000. And then she ended up getting her account like suspended and shut down. She did get her account back and she's still selling on Amazon now. She's probably about 60% Walmart and 40% Amazon. But she started selling on Walmart about 13 months ago, and now she's having $10,000 months. She's done over $80,000 approximately in the last year. So today we want to talk about, selling on Walmart, why it's so profitable, and why folks should get started. So anything I missed with the introduction, Amanda?
No, I think you nailed it. It's just been crazy. It's been 3 years since selling on Amazon. It just goes by so fast, and I just love the wild ride it takes me on.
Awesome. So before we get into this video, for everyone who's watching, let us know down in the comments. Are you selling on Walmart yet? Have you started your business? Have you gotten approved? Because lately, with all the craziness going on with Amazon, with the API issues, with people getting regated, Amazon requiring you to have 100 to 300 items on an invoice. Now we have the used buy box issue. Now, more than ever, is a very, very smart time to set yourself up for the future and diversify your income. And if you haven't gotten started, then I wanted to let everybody know that next week, March 25th at 7 p.m. Tuesday, Amanda and I were hosting a free training. It's a pretty much a complete webinar from start to finish of how to start selling on Walmart, how to get your account approved, how to scan items, how to choose products, how to analyze deals, all the mistakes, all the ins and outs. So I'm excited for that, Amanda. That's going to be a lot of fun.
I know I'm like excited because I've been writing down some like nuggets and some like freebies and some like just really good sourcing tips to share with people. So I'm definitely gonna share some secrets. So I'm excited.
Awesome. So you guys can check out the first link down below in the description. Again, that's Tuesday, March 25th at 7 p.m. And we're going to be talking about how Amanda has built her Walmart business to over $10,000 per month in sales and how you guys can get started, start making some money. So check that out. So let's get into the video, 7 reasons why selling on Walmart in 2025 is so profitable. So what do we have for number one, Amanda?
The number one is compared to Amazon is lower fees. Walmart has such straightforward fees that it's so easy to like know your margins, know your numbers because they only have the 15% referral fee. They don't have the monthly recurring fee to be a pro seller or to be a seller on their platform. Like Amazon does, they charge that $40 a month. Walmart doesn't have that, so you're already getting margin back. And there's no like crazy hidden fees. So that's what I love is the fees are a lot lower.
So how much lower do you think it is? Like if I sold a, I don't know, a toy on Amazon for $90 and then I sold it on Walmart for $90, like how much, different of a fee would it be? Because if I was selling at FBA, that would come out to probably around like 30%. So what would it be on Walmart?
Yeah, it's roughly a little lower. So if you were to sell that toy, you'd pay that 15% referral fee, which is the same on Amazon. But where you save money is in the shipping. So shipping to Walmart is roughly 10 to 20 cents per pound versus Amazon, it's a lot more. So you're saving on shipping, and then there's no split shipments if you're doing FBA and Walmart WFS, which is the equivalent of Amazon FBA. But you're not paying placement fees. You're not paying, FC transfers. You're not paying all these hidden fees when it comes to the shipping. So that's where you really save the money is you're shipping it to one location and that's it.
Yeah.
And that to me, that's where those hidden fees are and that add up. So
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm all for paying less in fees, so
Yeah, yeah, because when I run my numbers with Amazon, I'm like, I had no idea how much I was paying in shipping or anything like that. So,
yeah, yeah, Amazon makes it complicated. All right,
yeah.
great. Let's get into reason number two, which is less competition. I know you had mentioned when we put together this outline that your biggest listing has typically no more than 15 sellers. And I know you're doing like retail arbitrage and online arbitrage. And when you're doing that, sometimes on Amazon, there could be 50, 60, 80, 100 plus sellers, which you know what that equates to? Price tanking craziness. So let's
Yeah.
talk about that. Less competition on Walmart.
Absolutely. There are like 3.2 million active Amazon sellers. And right now in Walmart, I would say there's like 250,000 sellers. So that in general like shows that there's no competition. The 15 other sellers is the most I've seen. Typically I jump on a listing where it's just me and three or four other sellers. And because we all price the same way, it's just a lot easier and there's just so much less competition, which makes the opportunities endless because you can go to any kind of
Yeah.
category.
Do you think the competition is less because people don't know, or is it because people don't know how to get approved? Because I know in our training that we're going to be hosting next week, you're going to go through all the steps teaching people how to get approved. I mean, you helped me get approved when I was getting declined. Everyone was getting declined. A lot of the folks in our community, and we did this webinar probably what like 8 months ago, and it helped a bunch of
Yeah.
people. So why is there such less competition compared to Amazon? Would you say, Amanda?
Yeah, I think it's a combination of all of those. Like, I think people don't know they can sell on Walmart, and then people get denied the first time and they give up. Or, sometimes the lack of software scare people, but to me, that makes it more exciting. And there are softwares coming out to help with, all the bumps and stuff. But I just think that people get scared and just kind of give up and don't know how to go forward. So I'm excited to help people to kind of like push forward and really get started.
Sweet. Number three, the third reason, and this one, definitely strikes a chord with me because with Amazon, it's getting so expensive now. Like it's draining people's margins to get ungated. And I'm lucky, knock on wood, I haven't gotten regated in a lot of items, but I see a lot of people suffering right now because it used to be buy 10 items, Amanda, 10 DVDs, 10 of, Hasbro, 10 of a board game, whatever, get the invoice from Kohl's or Target or christianbooks.com for, CDs and DVDs, give it to Amazon and bada bing, bada boom, the profits are coming soon. But
Right.
now they want 100, they want 300. I put a post out in my eBay to Amazon Facebook community, and there was a person who shared a document. They wanted 100,000 of an item. I don't know if the Amazon rep fell asleep on the keyboard and hit too many zeros, but getting ungated is cheaper. Brand ungate, not categories, is what you wrote. I'm not sure if you could elaborate on what does that mean for Walmart.
So, like with Amazon, for example, you need to get ungated in home and kitchen, and then you need to get ungated in Cuisinart. But it's not like that with Walmart. You just need to get ungated with Cuisinart. And so it's kind of that way. You don't have to get ungated twice, which is kind of nice because it's per brand. So the items that you need to get ungated in are Disney, Star Wars, Pokemon, but it's not a lot of products and brands, which is kind of nice. Yeah, that's kind of what I mean by like the categories aren't locked down. And I haven't seen anybody getting locked out of a category like Amazon would because I haven't sold in kitchen and home in Amazon for like 7 months. They gated me back. So I
Mm.
haven't seen that with Walmart where they're like, you haven't sold anything, so you can't sell again. So I've not seen that, which is kind of nice.
Awesome, awesome. And for anybody who attends the webinar next week, Amanda, you have a because I was going through the slides, you have a free giveaway for folks. It's an ungating guide for people. It's a
Yeah,
document that helps people to get ungated for products and brands and different things. So again, another perk of showing up to the free training
for
next
sure.
week. All right, number four. This is a nice one because, I have a YouTube channel, I have an Instagram. I help a lot of people get started, right? New folks, and they want to make money on Amazon. And I feel like half the people quit Amazon. Well, the first half quit because there's so many rules, regulations, all these issues, hidden fees, which Amazon's still great. Like I did $175,000 profit last year. I put 130K in my pocket. You've been making profit with Amazon as well. I mean, you're still 40% Amazon. Like Amazon's still great. But one of the things that turns off a lot of new sellers with Amazon is there's so many subscriptions, right? You need this sourcing software, you need Keepa, you need Seller Ramp, you need this, you need that, you need IP Alert. I mean, it's just one thing after another, and they're great, but it really, really adds up. On Walmart, there's not a lot of subscriptions you need.
No, and that really is the beauty of it. Like, there are a lot of paid versions where you can, but the free versions I've also found work just as well. They may be not as pretty, but they still work just as good and they're free. So you don't need to spend 30 extra dollars a month. I'm also using Keepa with my Walmart, so I'm using that subscription already, but I enjoy the free versions of the items as well as the paid. So I love that you can do it for free and they're just as good. I just feel like sometimes with the Amazon, their free subscriptions or free services are kind of not as good. But I just
Right.
haven't found that case with Walmart. I feel like the free versions are just as good, if not better sometimes.
Cool. And there's a lot of exciting things coming out with Walmart, with softwares and stuff. I know that kind of goes against what we're talking about, like no paid subscription. There are some like better options coming, but I think that brings an opportunity. There's not a lot of data on Walmart. There's not a ton of softwares right now. So it's kind of the wild, wild west.
It really is. It really is. And that's what I love about it. It's so exciting. It does change. You gotta adapt, but it's just that's what I love about it is the change, improvements. Yeah, you can pay money for subscriptions, but you don't have to, which is kind of nice.
Great. All right, let's get into number five, the fifth reason why selling on Walmart right now in 2025 is so profitable. And you had mentioned to me, Walmart is offering a promotion to save money on shipping. Tell folks, Amanda, what is this all about?
So Walmart comes out with promotions because they want sellers. They want people to be on their platform to help sell products. And right now, Walmart has been offering 75% off referral fees, which is huge. Plus, they're offering 2000 off on your inbound shipping, which that's huge. $2,000 in free shipping is amazing. And then in that same package, they're also offering $1,000 of free advertising. I don't advertise, so that doesn't appeal to me, but the free shipping for $2,000 and the 75% off referral fee, like, how can you not get, like, when I started, it was only 50%. Like, how can you not want to get started when you're already putting money in your pockets? So
Yeah, that's
it's just
that's great.
exciting to me.
Yeah, I love when companies do things like that because think about it, like most people are selling on eBay, they're selling on Amazon. And even though Walmart is mega profitable, I mean, I'm even in the same position. I sent in some stuff. I sent in a box. I sent you a message the other day, all the items that we sent together. Like when Amanda and I, we did a coaching call behind the scenes. It wasn't publicized, but she helped me send out my first shipment. I looked on my Walmart, it all sold. So, but
Yeah.
it's like I'm still trying to make the shift because like I'm focused on Amazon. I've got all these systems and processes, and it's like it's tough to like start building out all these systems and processes for Walmart. So it's nice that Walmart's incentivizing sellers to be like kind of a kick in the butt, like Steve, like everybody, like get over here, start selling some stuff. Like we're giving you $2,000 in free shipping.
Yeah. Like I don't think it gets better than that, to be honest. So,
Cool.
yeah, that's awesome.
Well, last but not, actually, we have two more to mention. I'll combine these together. Number six and seven, sell items for more on Amazon and turn items faster. Now, I don't know if this is just because I'm talking to Flipping with Amanda, and I always say this to the gurus. I'm like, the gurus who are selling on Amazon, they always say Amazon's the best. The gurus on eBay say eBay's the best. Now, Amanda is telling me right now you could sell items for more than on Amazon when you're on Walmart and turn items faster. That sounds too good to be true. Tell me, how is that possible?
Because Walmart's growing and they are trying to compete with Amazon. And I just think that Walmart is growing rapidly and they can't sustain their customers. So they need to get more sellers on there. But yeah, my items sell very quickly. Typically, when I get a box checked in, it doesn't last 30 days. The longest I had an item in my inventory was 6 months, but that's because it was a seasonal product and I got it in late, and that's my fault. But typically, nothing's in there longer than 60 days max, which would be crazy. because they just turn over so quickly. And I said that they also sell for more than they would on Amazon. And when I first started, I heard that people were taking their tanked items from Amazon and selling them for more on Walmart. And
Wow.
they were still making a profit after their cost of goods, after their fees and removal fees and shipping into Walmart, and we're still making a profit after all that. So to me, that's just like, that's possible. And they were doing it. They weren't just talking about it. So that's how it's exciting with Walmart is you can sell for more.
And can
Uh,
new sellers, like people who don't have any experience, like if you've never sold on Walmart before, like is it an easy transition? Like is it like really, really challenging for people? Or like, I mean, obviously everything takes a learning curve in the beginning, but is this something people can get started with? And like, is listing like possible? Is it like super complicated? Is it like really hard to understand? Is it a different language? If you kind of get what I'm going after.
Yeah, I mean, learning something new is obviously has its, ups and downs, but I think the skills that you learn from like Amazon or other selling platforms, those transfer into Walmart. There's just different ways of doing them. Listing is not complicated. It does take, time to learn that like anything else, but it's gotten better as time has gone on. It's definitely easier, more user-friendly. I mean, that doesn't say that Walmart glitches out and breaks every once in a while, but overall, it has gotten easier and people are seeing the changes that Walmart's making. So,
Awesome, awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and the 7 reasons why selling on Walmart in 2025 is so profitable. If you guys want to learn more about selling on Walmart, check out Amanda's YouTube channel, Flipping with Amanda. I'll put a link to that down below. Also, like I said, the webinar Tuesday, March 25th, 100% free. It's going to be very educational. We've got, we put a lot of time and effort into, building out really good information in the slides and putting it in a nice step-by-step format. So you can, learn everything you need to know about how to get started, how to sign up, the products. She's going to sell products that she's flipping. She's going to show exact items. What else am I missing? What else is going to be in the webinar, Amanda, for folks?
and there's going to be opportunities to just see what Walmart's all about. See if it's possible for you and your business model. Whether you want to just start completely a different new business model like I did. I went from doing books and eBay to Amazon to doing retail arbitrage. Like, I'll be able to show you if that's possible and what that looks like. Or just doing the same thing. Or if you want to do, if you're doing wholesale on Amazon, can you do wholesale on Walmart? I'll just kind of show that and yeah.
Break it all down, baby.
Yeah, I'm excited because I think it's possible with any business model to jump on Walmart to either do what you're already doing or, change it up.
Sweet. Well, thank you so much, Amanda. We're going to be shooting a bunch of videos. So, stay posted on the channel. We have another video where we're going to be talking more in depth about how you built your business up to $10,000 per month and how others can do it as well. So looking forward to that. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Check out Amanda's YouTube channel, Flipping with Amanda, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Peace.